I am going to show you a sample autistic classroom. Always remember, when it is a classroom for autistic students, things need to be visual and consistent. So consistency is needed for autistic classroom. Even you see, this is a sample classroom, so it is not the best, but it is a very good example. So rules are there, you see they are visual. Also the teacher has the schedule, what time they do what. So you'll see in the morning when they come, they have an area. Special ed students, sometimes they come early, so they have an area, they sit down until they go eat their breakfast and come to the classroom. So in the morning they come, sit down, read a book. When it's breakfast time, they go eat breakfast and they come back. So in the comeback, they have the date, the weather, the month, the day. So everybody has a day to set up this part. Okay, then class starts. So this school class starts at 7:37. If you see, they have visual and they have the timing what they do. Every student has their schedule, so they know what they will do, and the teacher shows them. So 7:37 to 8:37, you'll see they have writing. So they do a journal in this classroom, and after writing, they present to the classroom their journal. When bell rings, you'll see it's 8:37 to 9:32. They use a program called News to You. It is a very nice program they use in this classroom. There's reading, math, science, social studies, even fun games they have in News to You, and they do it every day. Then when bell rings, you'll see the students know this time for Unique. They use a program called Unique. This is also reading, math, science, social studies activities. When bell rings, they have the next activity to do. You'll see they use a program called Khan Academy. So that's a math program. So they go to their computers, you'll see, and they start that time, the Khan Academy. So you'll see then 11:17, they have lunch time. So they go eat their lunch. After lunch, when they come back, they have to read books. So see they have a reading area. So they go sit down and they pick up a book, they start reading. So then you'll see they have the time to do the next activity. So they look at their schedule. Okay, it's time to doing the activity for Edmark, that is also reading, math, functional language activities are there. They complete that part. Then their time is social skills time, 1 to 1:57, bell rings. So they play a game or do some other games, social activities. They speak to each other, they interact. So that's a fun time for them at the end of the day. And when the bell rings again at 2, they do their daily chores. So they have a schedule, will do what. So it is on the board. So somebody will clean up the tables, somebody will set up the books at right places, somebody will be dusting, somebody will be sweeping, somebody will be cleaning the trash. So they'll make the room ready for next day. So then you'll see at 2:42, it's time to go home. They pack up and go home. So everything is visual, organized step by step. The students know what to do. And this is a classroom. You'll see the places to sit down, then the place where they put their binders, their journals, everybody has a name. Then you'll see their area for computer, you'll see their reading books and reading area. So everything is set up. So always remember, when it is a classroom for autistic students, everything needs to be organized. Okay, thank you for watching this classroom.